Before we start, let's make sure we have everything. You'll need 12 wooden dowels, 12 barrel nuts, 12 long screws, and 1 Allen key. Have a flathead screwdriver handy, just in case. Let's start with the table. Grab the 2 side rails and insert 2 wooden dowels into the holes on each end. That's 4 dowels total for this step. Take 2 of the table legs and align them with the dowels you just placed on the side rails. Push them firmly together until they are flush. Time to secure them. Slide a barrel nut into the pre-drilled hole on the inside of the rail. Make sure the slot on the nut is facing outwards so the screw can find it. Insert a long screw through the hole in the leg and into the barrel nut. Use your Allen key to turn it clockwise until it's snug, but don't tighten it fully just yet. Repeat the process for the second leg on this side. Drop in the barrel nut, thread the screw through the leg, and give it a few turns with the Allen key. Now, slide the large white tabletop panel into the grooves of the side rails we just assembled. Make sure it slides all the way to the bottom. Take your remaining table side rail and slot it onto the top edge of the tabletop panel, aligning the grooves. Bring in your last 2 table legs. Align the holes with the dowels sticking out of the top rail and press them into place. Just like before, drop your barrel nuts into the holes on the side rails for these final 2 corners. Insert the last 2 long screws through the legs and into the nuts. Tighten them partially with your Allen key. Now that the table is fully assembled, go around to all 4 corners and give every screw a final, firm tightening with the Allen key. Your table is done. Now let's build the first chair. Grab 2 chair side rails and insert a wooden dowel into each end for a total of 4 dowels. Take the 2 shorter chair legs and press them onto the dowels at one end of the rails to create a U shape. Drop a barrel nut into the hole on the side rail and thread a screw through the leg. Tighten it with your Allen key. Repeat the nut and screw process for the second front leg. Now your front frame is secure. Slide the smaller square seat panel into the grooves of the side rails until it's seated firmly against the front legs. Pick up the backrest assembly, which has the 2 long rear legs. Carefully lower it onto the seat panel, aligning the grooves. Ensure the dowels at the back of the side rails line up perfectly with the holes in the long rear legs. Press them together. Insert barrel nuts into the holes on the rear of the side rails. Make sure the slots are lined up for the screws. Thread the last 2 screws through the long rear legs and into the nuts. Use your Allen key to tighten them up. Give all 4 corner screws on the first chair a final tighten. Make sure everything feels sturdy. 1 chair down. Let's do it all again for the second chair. Insert 4 dowels into the remaining 2 chair side rails. Press the last 2 short legs onto the dowels at the front of the rails. Insert your barrel nuts and screws for the front 2 corners and tighten them with the Allen key. Slide your final seat panel into the grooves of the side rails. Place the final backrest and long leg assembly onto the seat panel, lining up the side rail dowels. Drop in the last 2 barrel nuts and thread the final 2 screws through the rear legs. Use the Allen key one last time to tighten all the screws on the second chair. Ensure everything is solid and safe. Congratulations! You've successfully assembled the Laett Diary STT table and chairs set. Your little ones are going to love their new space.